Hi guys, welcome back with new video. This is the second video of Windows command line video series. I am Salinder. Welcome to my SL DevCode YouTube channel. Now we know the basic of how to navigate around. Let's go ahead and learn some more useful things. Let's get start the video. Now you open the command prompt. Go to start menu and type cmd and hit enter. So this is the interface. Now you can see your current working directory. It's basically shown where you are on your computer. So how do you just view the content of the directory? I mean, how do we just list all of the folders and files? So we want to type dir and hit enter. Now you can see all the files and directories inside this account, this directory. You can see time, dates, and those are the directories. So this is the file size of this file. So there are 15 files and 66 directories inside this. Now I'll move to desktop, type cd and desktop, hit enter. Now you are in desktop. Now I am going to show directories inside the desktop. So I want to type dir and hit enter. Now you can see all the directories inside the desktop. You can see, so there are 2 folders, 2 directories, so Salinder, SL DevCode. There are 15 files and 4 directories inside the desktop. Now I am going to move to backspace. Yes, now I am go to backspace. Now I want to move the Salinder folder. Now I am going to list what's inside this Salinder folder. So dir, type desktop and Salinder. So this isn't change my directory, but it's going to allow me to list what's inside this Salinder folder. So there are 0 files and 2 directories inside the Salinder folder. Another cool thing you can do is write dir and / and a. So thing is going to run the same command, but it's going to show you all the hidden files, hidden directories as well as. Yes, now you can see all hidden files. All the hidden files you can see inside the computer. This is the command line dir / a. This is the directory C user Salinder. So those are the all hidden files inside my computer. So there are 22 files and 80 directories. So this is a today tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, make a comment and ask. And also if you like my videos, click on the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.